up.
So what's going on, everybody, and welcome back. So in this one, we're going to be going to a car show. We're going to Broke East, which is at Stafford Motor Speedway in Connecticut, Stafford Springs or something or other. So it's about a 50-minute drive. We're going to take off pretty soon. Just getting all ready to go. May need to get gas. We'll probably get on the way back. Anyway, yeah, we got like a half tank. So we're going to stop and get some food, a Big Y or something like that, put it in the cooler. And Naomi and I are going to head over there. Got the car cleaned up the other day. And looks pretty good, guys. So try to get some footage of the car show for you and what the setup looks like. And yeah, should be fun. So I should bring some chairs and a little tent to sit at, hopefully. I think we're in line here to get in. We got 2 miles left, 6 minutes. We got some other car people in front of us. This guy in the Mustang sounds like he's impatient. He keeps hitting the gas.
Stafford now?
This is Stafford Springs, I think.
Okay. Well, there's Stafford Cidery, so it must be.
Yeah. Return that guy's head. Three? Nice.
Yay.
Yeah, I'll open the trunk. Got another cord over there. Pop the trunk. What's going on, man?
Oh man,
This thing's clean, yeah. You got this thing, is it swapped or is it imported?
Nope, from New Zealand.
From New Zealand, that's sick.
Yeah,
By
I
hand
bought
drive.
it beginning of February.
Nice.
Yeah, there's a guy in Stafford.
Yeah.
So I went to go check it out a couple times.
Nice, dude. No.
And he wanted 12, but I paid 8.
All right. Not bad, dude. It's in really good shape.
It has 79,000 miles.
That's sick.
127,000 kilometers.
It's a baby.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm sure it was well taken care of, too.
Yeah, I think it was maybe 2 owners.
Yeah. Obviously stick. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but...
No, it's great, though. Sick. Got the spoon car out. He's got a matching Integra of this thing. They look sweet. Casey Reese.
Big yellow back.
Like, alright. K-tune shifter and everything. Sweet. You have to understand the significance of this. This is Takami's car. Okay?
Okay.
This is the Torino AE86. Okay, Toyota. Yeah, I saw this thing at another show. He didn't get it up on the two-step though. Is that what he's gonna do now, you thinking?
I hope so.
Yeah, right? having problems.
Yeah.
Sounds like he's got some kind of problem going on. I can relate to that. Someday I'm gonna build something like this. This is sweet. Up and forward manifolds. This thing's sweet. High ram.
South Dakota.
South Dakota?
Yeah.
This thing's so sick. It reminds me of my old truck. This is what my old truck would have been like. Oh yeah, he's got some manually shifted trans in there too. It's pretty sick. I love. He doesn't?
Oh no.
That's funny. I love these things. So cool. There's somebody by thanks. There's somebody by the shop that has one like this. He's got the loudest exhaust on I'd ever heard. It's like, it's ridiculously loud. It sounds really good though. You can always hear him when he comes up to the light outside.
Too fast. They're too fast. I can understand.
Looks good. This thing says real-time four-wheel drive. That's sick.
I know it's rewarding, but it's a dedication, right? It's.
I have like a whole bunch of music supplies in my top.
Automatic, right-hand drive. So sick. I want to see what the little diff looks like under this thing. That's cool. Yeah.
Look how much that room is in there.
That's crazy. This thing's cool.
Got little straps in the back.
Yeah. I swear to God, it's a GM engine in there. I'm just trying to figure out what it is. I know. Oh! Whatever. That thing's sweet. Yeah, it does.
No boy.
This is cool too. CRX action. That's pretty cool for a Ford. Seth will like that. Nice looking CRX. Really sick. Those things are so light. They're like 2,000 something pounds. So easy to make really fast.
It's clean though. I've never seen one load.
There's the Samurais.
There's Mickey with 2 plates.
That's sick. Nice CRV. Couple of CRVs. JDM spec.
CRV.
Yeah.
Listen.
Nissan action. Look at the tires on that thing. It's ridiculously wide. Crazy.
One's out for
Big turbo Ford Mustang. Big pipe on that thing. See what's going on there. Got the hood closed. Supra. They're cool. That is interesting. It's like a more like just a vent, I guess.
like a shade.
Maybe it goes back when it's not vented, you know? This is cool. AMG.
AMG wheels.
Yeah. That's just the eBay turbo? Oh, it's a Garrett turbo. See, everybody spends money but me. Looks good though.
Let me give you a call back.
Nice looking setup.
Alright.
Although, could have been. That was nice looking. I like the gray engine bay. Looks good. This thing's sweet too. Stock K going on in here. It's the RSX. Especially when you got a trained eye, you know. This thing is, I don't know, I like the wheels. I know it's not for everybody, but I think it looks good. Definitely wide. Yeah.
This is
Yeah, I like these that have the color match interior and the headlights. That looks sick. Really wide fenders on this thing. It's a nice looking car. Same color here. The Mazda's cool too. Nice looking Mustang. Sweet, man. On that thing, Bonneville. Looks so sick. I love halos on old cars. Looks really cool. That's sick. Look how long this thing is. And the no pillars there is so cool too.
Why the hell is this?
Got sound system, got airbag suspension. That's sick. Got a little two-step battle going on. So the parking lot's kind of like a party too. You can just come out in the parking lot and look at all these nice cars. A nice little C5 here. See, this is the next generation after my Corvette, which I haven't even posted that video about the Corvette yet, so nobody even knows I have one, but I do. Hopefully we can get it registered and on the road. That's a separate issue. But yeah, the parking lot is like a car show in itself, so we're just kind of gonna walk around, check out the cars, eat our lunch. Look at this nice Accord wagon over here. I think I've seen this before. Anyway, I think I've seen this one before. This is getting too serious. It's too serious. It's gonna be too bad. You don't want to be there.
Who wants to go first?
Sweet ZR1 out here. Somebody obviously loves this thing. Got racing seats in there. Yeah, 6-speed. This is cool. Nice car. Nice light tint in there. Looks sweet. A little bit of body love right there. Corsa exhaust. I bet this thing sounds sick. LT5. Nice. It's a nice car. Nice C6 here. I don't know about the wheels though. No on the wheels. So we're heading out. Pretty much seen all we want to see. Off-roading in the gravel lot here. That's why I like not being that low, so you can just cruise.
Can't not wrap it up.
I think the seats are comfy. So we made it back from the show, guys. Even though we didn't get into VIP to get in and actually show the car, still a lot of people saw it in the parking lot. Met a couple of people. Actually got recognized by somebody, which was pretty sick. He was like, "Hey, is your car in the show?" And I was like, "What? How do you know what my car looks like?" And I was like, "Oh, somebody knows me." That was sick. I'm so bad with names. I forget his name, but he's telling me he's got a supercharged Frontier, and he picked up a wagon. So really cool guy. Good to meet people, and that's really cool. I met another guy, JC, too. He talked to me for a little while there, talking about his car, and talking about selling some stuff. So it's good to get this thing out there, exercise its legs. Want to check it over. Had a clunk noise in the front when turning the wheel, so checked out my tie rods. They seem okay, but I definitely cleaned off the brake rotors and stuff, going on a nice drive, and things driving good. So definitely good to take it out and see some people, take it to some shows. It's fun. So happy I did it, and definitely be out again soon, because the car it's looking good. It's fun to take it out and get some reactions. People definitely dig it, which is cool to see. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that little series of clips from the car show. Try to get to some car shows every year, and it's good to see some of you guys out there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and peace. Don't forget to subscribe.